I've heard good things about these handy Brites, so grabbed one to check it out. So let's open it up. It says that it's a cordless LED spotlight to use around the home. It's motion activated, and what I liked about it is that it's priced right, and it doesn't require like being part of an elaborate system. As far as I can tell, it's just gonna work out of the container here. So let's pull it out of the container. Let's grab its instruction guide. Let's set that over there. Let's see what it says in the instructions. Install some batteries and pull the face completely out to see the battery compartment. Alright. Oh, I see, it's zip tied to the container that it's in. So we'll zip that up. Alright, it says pull the face off. Oh, I see, you can unlock it. And what does it use here? Looks like it uses some larger batteries. So we'll get some batteries. Alright, so we've got 4 D-cell batteries in there. And it looks like this would fit in one way or the other. It's certainly a tricky thing. I'm doing something wrong, or it's being tricky. But you can see that it lights up now. We'll go ahead and put it back into the unit here. And oh, I guess that's all there is. So if there was no light in here, there we go. Now it goes on. And once it figures out that there's light, I guess, or that it doesn't see any motion, it'll go back off. So we can attach this unit. Looks like you can loosen and tighten its adjustments left and right and up and down. You can put 4 or 3 screws around the base to get it into the wherever it's going to be mounted. And that's the handy Brite motion sensor. 4 D-cell battery handy Brite. It says 500 lumens. It is pretty bright. Get it to wash out the camera here. Where's the lenses? They're over here. All right, hope that helps.